In this tutorial, we'll explore how to add billable hours to your invoice. To add billable hours to your invoice, navigate to the Billable Hours tab and select Add Hours line item. This brings up a window in which you specify the program to which these hours will be billed. Select the program by clicking on the Program drop-down list and clicking on the appropriate program. If the list of available programs does not include a program against which you are authorized to bill, you should contact Satellite Consulting to have that program added. You may use the optional task field to describe the task covered by these billable hours. Once you have entered the information, click OK to add the billable hours line item to your invoice. Some programs will require that you enter a charge number and/or the name of a client contact who requested the work. These fields will automatically appear when you select such a program. Note that you will be unable to add the hours line item without filling out these fields. If you see a red flag appear, hover your cursor over the red flag to see a message explaining the reason for the error. Once you have entered your hours line items, you will have a series of input boxes in which you will enter the billable hours. The date to which the hours apply is listed above the input box. If you hover your cursor over the date, it will show you the day of the week. Further, the input boxes for the weekends are denoted with darker backgrounds. To enter hours, simply click in the appropriate box and type the number of hours you worked. After you have entered your billable hours, you can review the hours you have entered by navigating to the Review and Submit tab. In this view, you will find not only the daily totals, but also the weekly totals shown at the end of each week within the billing period. Note, any day in which more than 10 hours were billed and any week in which more than 55 hours were billed will be shown in red. This is meant merely as a caution against possible errors in data entry. Corrections can be made by navigating back to the Billable Hours tab. Here you can adjust the hours you've worked. You can change the information associated with each line item and/or remove line items. To change the information associated with a line item, move the mouse over to the beginning of the line item row and click the pencil icon that appears over the row. Now make the desired changes and click Save. To remove a line item, move the mouse over to the beginning of the row and click the red X that appears over the row. Click OK to confirm that you wish to remove the line item. That's it for now. In the next tutorial, we'll cover how to add expenses.